Hey, what's up everyone? Dr. Stein here at Straight Ahead Chiropractic. Hey, I wanted to share with you a commonality that we see in cases. Most of the cases and concerns and complaints that we see in our office have this one main theme in them, and that is a lot of them have a history of birth trauma. And birth trauma doesn't have to be something that sounds or that is exactly like it sounds, that it's this big traumatic event. Oftentimes, it's a subtle stress into the system that's never fully addressed that then accumulates, grows, develops, and causes issues down the road. And some of those stressors that we can talk about are too fast of a labor and delivery process can be traumatic. Too slow or delayed or long of a labor and delivery process can be traumatic. And then interventions, things like forceps, C-sections, vacuum extractions, TOSIN, epidural, all of those things can accumulate and build up stress in the system, which can delay or create dysfunction in development and cause stress to build up in the spine and in the nervous system, both of which can compromise the ability to fully function at maximum capacity and to be well. So a lot of the kids we see with sensory issues, with struggles, chronic ear infections, sleeplessness, asthma, allergies, those cases, the common thread and theme in them is some form of stress or trauma in the labor and delivery process, or even maybe in pregnancy in utero. So if you have a kiddo that's struggling and you know you have a history that your labor and delivery was fast and furious, that's what somebody told me this morning, that the baby came out in 2 hours, barely made it to the hospital. Or it was a 2-day, 3-day process that just seemed like it was never going to end. Or there was complications, emergency C-sections. Those stressors accumulate over time and can grow and develop. And here's what we know is that kids don't grow out of stress. They don't outgrow their stress. It just morphs or changes into something else. So if that resonates with you, if that's something that you can relate to, if you want more information or more answers or help, please reach out to us. Hope is straight ahead. Thanks. Bye.